Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So excited for the new episode. Thank you for joining in. So thank you for the great response in my last video, that is introduction part, where I covered our roadmap, what are the topic we're going to cover. So in this series, and so this episode we're going to start with the topic order block, which is the most important part, and I expect you guys to practice this as much as possible. So because this works on the live market, and this is the, you can say, the core part, and it has certain parameters and certain probabilities where it will get failed or hold or will not hold. So that I will discuss in this video and in this episode. So without any further ado, let's get started on this. Okay, so like order block. So what is the order block? So it says like in which order the block is created. Okay, so like in our market we have institutional and the retailer investors, right? Institutional has a big amount of money, so where they want to invest, they won't invest in between the, like we have this, suppose we have this trend, okay, bias going up and going down, right? But institutional won't invest here and here and here and here. Okay, they have big amount, so they try to invest in some parameters. They invest in a, they buy in a discount, right? Like this is the, let me show you where, how it is, shows the discount and premium with the PD array. That will, you will have a clear picture on this. So always try to use this PD array on your system while trading. So yeah, so this is the PD array looks like. So the top is the premium because the price is very high, and it shows this is a amount is very high and it is a premium, and this below side is a discount. So where we want to invest, so we want to invest through the institutional, not the go with the retailers. Okay, so we'll be with the institutional. So for doing that, we look for the discount zone. So this is the discount zone. So now where we want to, and institutional want to invest to make money. Okay, so they look for some PD array, like from the top, from the bottom to top, we'll see, and we check the order block. So like we have here we have, like, one second, this is here, and we have here as well. So what are the parameters it has? So it has so how we define the order block. Okay, what are the parameters it has? So first of all, we check whether it has a FVG, which is the gap, a fair value gap. So you see at the top of this, we have this fair value gap. We call this as a fair value gap. Let me put it FVG. All right. So this is FVG gap. We see this is called a fair value gap, and below we see the last buying candle, and so this is the high probability if it is not mitigated. Okay, and we, one more thing we see, if it has the liquidity sweep, it has sweep of the previous candle. So this makes this order block a high probability order block. So, and the whole thing like this one, so from this top to bottom, we call this as a order flow. So order block resist at the order flow, inside the order flow, and we check the fair value gap and associate with the order block. Now this is the order block. So we'll tell you in the next videos what is the order flow and mitigation and unmitigations. Okay, so I'm shortly defining here the how it is looks, the mitigation and unmitigation, because you see this order block is not came and touched to this order block. So this is not touched, so that means it is not mitigated. So that means order block is safe. So we'll go and check. Yeah, so where our order block is getting respected. Okay, so this is the sell side, so this getting swept. All right, and at the buy side we see we have this sell side, and we see this buy side going up, and we can see this order here as well. This is the order block getting respected, and okay, this has one sweep, and this is has a fair value gap, and yeah, so this is getting respected. And we also, sometimes we also can check the like middle line. We can put, this is a mean threshold. whether we check if the candle closes above or below the mean threshold, so that we can put our stop loss accordingly. So you need to master this in your system. So one more thing. So like if you see, we have this liquidity sweep here. So this got liquidity sweep, okay, and price is getting down. So if you see the order block here at this point, so this is not holding it, okay. So why this is not holding? Because this is the low priority. So it has the liquidity sweep, and after liquidity sweep, or the FEGs and get disrespected, and it comes to the discount zone to tap the order block, to find the order block which is unmitigated. So if you see, this is the basically a order flow area which is mitigated. One second. Okay, this is the order flow. So it got mitigated, this order flow. So we can also see this is a breaker, because it is breaking the seller candle. So this is a breaker block. So we'll come to later at this point. So what is the breaker block, how it works, what are the parameters it has. So like yeah, so if you see here at the top daily chart, this is the order block where it is getting respected, okay, and price going down from there. So it is very easy, guys, to find and use it wisely. Okay. And see, we have here as well, if you see, our order block getting respected with the price and price going higher. So this is how we check the bias is going on, and it works for all the time frames and with the fair value gaps. And what else? So I covered the breaker block and PD array. I have covered. So you have to use your own logic, and chart might be different for you. And always try to buy in the find the order block at the discount zone, and which is with the institutional, and from there price expect to go higher and higher, and find the uh, sell side order block. Okay. So you can find, like, this is the sell side order block, this is the buy side order block. So let me, okay, so this is the buy side order block, this is the sell side order block. So this is how it is. And you need to check the priority sometimes. One second, let me remove this. Okay. Sometimes you will find the order block inside the breaker block. One second, like this. Suppose okay, this, and yeah, this. So so this is the breaker. Okay, so this is the breaker block, and you have your order block here. It's not happening. System is looks slow. Once again, okay. All right, let's see this. Okay, so okay, and this is the order block, and you find your, okay, now this and this, and price goes higher. Okay, so, and your order block is here, and your FEG is here. Okay, FVG, and this is your order block, right? But this is your breaker block. Okay, sorry, this is your breaker block, and price touches it and goes higher. So yeah, sometimes it happens when price touches the breaker block, and this is the high priority, and market takes this as a high priority, and market might come later and tap your order block and then go higher. Okay, this is the scenario. So that is it, guys, with the order block, and I want you guys to practice this at your home and on your system so that you don't make any mistakes. So let's recap it. So we use the PD array, we use the discount zone at the PD array, okay, and we check the order block associated with the fair value gap inside the order flow. And what is the order flow? So this is covered the order flow. So this whole thing covers the order flow, okay, and make sure this order flow is not mitigated, then it is more higher priority, and you have to use according to that. And then price 95% price will tap to your order block, and it will go higher. So the higher time frame order block, the stronger time frame it will be, and price will get stressed from there very quickly, very fast, and you can use them and make money. And yeah, sometimes you have to sync your order block with the higher time frame map, and so that it will have the high probability order block, and it should hold and work 100%. Okay, so that's it, guys. So you guys need to practice it, and at least 20 times, 20 to 25 times, and you can also try to find in a dead market, and try this order block how it works in a older chart of the market and other markets as well. So it works with all markets, or even in a forex or crypto market as well, and Indian market as well. Yeah. So in next episode we'll cover the other variant of the order blocks, like rejection, mitigation, order flow. So other types of order blocks I will cover in the next upcoming episodes. Okay. So hope you guys like this. Thank you, guys, and see you tomorrow with the next episode on new topics. Thank you.